Hey everyone, today's tutorial is a side Dutch braid. To start off this braid, I'm creating a really deep side part. So I'm taking the hair and pulling it over to one side. Next I'm going to start my Dutch braid. So I'm going to take 3 strands and I'm going to start putting them underneath each other. And then I'm going to be picking up hair from each side and putting it underneath my braid. Now I want this braid to be on the right side of the head, so I'm just going to pick up a little bit of hair from the right side and try to keep the braid going along the right side. And as I'm picking up hair on the left side, I'm trying to comb it through to make sure that I don't have any bumps in the hair. Now later on we're going to pancake this braid, but right now you want to hold the hair as tight as possible. This is going to make your sides of your hair hold in place a lot better. The next step is to pancake our hair. So my tips for pancaking would be to not pull out all of the side of the braid when you're pancaking. What I like to do is take only half of the hair and tug at it. So the other half is still secure in my braid. So if that makes sense, I'm just pulling out about half of the hair and I'm just gently tugging at it so that it makes the edge of it look fluffy. And you can do this as little or as much as you want. You know, the more you do it, the more big your braid is going to look. But try not to tug the whole piece. Just grab at the outer half of it when you're pancaking. So I'm going to continue with my braid down now that I've pancaked half of it, and then I will pancake the rest of it after I get the braid in place. But right now, when I'm braiding down, I'm making this braid tight. I don't want it to be loose at all. Now this braid, since I'm pancaking it quite a bit, is not going to be a super tight braid. So I wouldn't have my daughter wear this to gymnastics. It's going to be soft and it's going to be a looser braid, but that's the look I'm going for today. So if you're wanting a tighter braid, don't do the pancaking and just leave it in place the way you had it. But you can go back and you can pancake as much as you want to get the look that you want. And you just want to start from the top and go down as you're pancaking. Once you get to the bottom of your braid, you're going to have pieces that are going to start to fly out. So what I like to do is continue to pancake it, but I don't do it as much, to try to hold those pieces at the bottom in place a little bit better. Once you get to the bottom of your braid, just tie it off with an elastic. Thank you so much for watching our side Dutch braid. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel.